Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to return an Amazon Prime Video digital movie. Whether you've changed your mind about a purchase or accidentally bought the wrong title, Amazon makes it easy to request a refund for digital content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This will give you access to your order history and the tools you need to process your return. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This section houses all your purchase history, both physical and digital items. Now that you're in the Orders section, look for the tab labeled Digital Orders at the top of the page and click on it. This filters your order history to show only digital purchases like ebooks, music, and Prime Video content. It's important to access this specific section because digital orders have different return policies and processes compared to physical items. Although I don't have any Prime Video digital movies in my order history to demonstrate, I'll show you exactly what the next steps will look like. Once you're viewing your digital orders, scroll through the list until you find the Prime Video movie you want to return. The list displays your most recent purchases first, making it easy to locate recent buys. Next to the movie title, you'll see either a Return for Refund or Cancel Order button. Click on this option to begin the refund process. Amazon typically allows returns on digital video purchases within a certain time frame, usually if you haven't started watching or within a short window after purchase. After clicking the return option, you'll be asked to select a reason from the Reason for Cancellation menu. This drop-down provides several options explaining why you're returning the content. Choose the option that best describes your situation, whether it was an accidental purchase, technical issues, or simply changed your mind. Finally, click Submit or Cancel your order to complete the process. Amazon will process your refund request and you should receive confirmation shortly. The refund will typically be credited back to your original payment method within a few business days. And that's how you successfully return a Prime Video digital movie on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.